that when we talk about the ills happening in government, we become enemies of the state. How? For example, as leader of the opposition, I am duty bound to hold government accountable, together with my colleagues. But it does not stop with us leaders. Every Ugandan has got that duty. Why? Because as a Ugandan, you're a taxpayer. So if your tax money is being stolen, you have a duty to speak out against that corruption. No one should try and shut you up. No. Because you are duty bound, you are a stakeholder in this country. And I want to encourage our colleagues on the NRM side. You need to be appreciative of criticism. Yeah, because why do you want us to keep quiet whenever you're doing many things wrong? Stealing taxpayers' money, abducting people, violating the law, and you want us to keep quiet? No, we are not going to keep quiet. Because what we are saying is within the law. We are telling you, shape up. Follow what the law does say. But for them, their brilliant idea, whoever criticizes, abduct them, lock them up. Media houses that are showing the ills that government is doing, closing them down. Nation Media Group has been closed for some time now. Why don't you listen to these issues and then you address them? Because, I don't know, however many people you will arrest, the problem will not go away. So the problem is not this politician who is pointing out the wrong you're doing. The problem is the wrong that you're doing. Address that wrong.
Successfully, we have registered candidates across the country in most of the villages. Amid these intimidations from the state operatives, where the DSOs, RDCs, PSOs, PUSOs, and VSOs have been calling the identified candidates who were to hold our tickets, intimidating them, advising them that they would rather contest as independents other than contesting as NUP flag bearers. And some of the candidates bowed out. We condemn that that attitude that is being portrayed by the state operatives. They should know that we are under multi-party dispensation, and under multi-party dispensation, all parties should be allowed space to freely participate in all activities.